So for this tutorial, we're going to do a surface slip stitch. All of the colored rows here have all been done after the base, the gray base of this messy bun beanie has been stitched out. So for this particular pattern, the surface slip stitches are going to be worked around the posts of the stitches in between the gray braided rows. So all you're going to do is take your yarn from the wrong side of your work and just pull it up to the right side, and make sure to leave a tail that's about 5 inches or so on the wrong side of your work here. So we're just simply going to insert the hook around the post, pull up your yarn from the other side, and complete a slip stitch. And again, insert on the other side of the post, slip stitch, and just continue all the way along.